The Ochre website has extensive resources for Years 3 to 6 English, and most of them are entirely free to access. Many of our units put the text at the centre of learning, using a novel as a way to engage with multiple learning objectives including vocabulary, grammar, and writing. I'm going to show you what's available and how to use these resources effectively. Go to Find by Curriculum and click on Curriculum Maps under Australian Curriculum. Scroll down to see an overview of our Years 3 to 6 unit plans and novel studies guides. Our 3 to 6 English Resources User Guide is a great tool to understand what materials are available and how to use these resources effectively. The first step is to download the yearly overview and lesson structure. This provides information about the overarching structure of the English curriculum for each year level. Next, you'll want to download the unit plan and novel study guide. Click on the year level and the term you want to access. The unit plan document outlines what is taught across each week, while the novel study guide provides in-depth information for each lesson of the English block. You'll also want to download some guides and resources designed to support implementation in the classroom. Click Guides to download resources including vocab teaching, text reading, paired fluency, and daily review guides. Now it's time to download the lessons themselves. Go to Find by Curriculum, Lessons by Subject, and click the year level you are after. Click on the name of the unit that you're after and click the lesson. Here you'll find 3 key slide decks: Daily Review, Literacy Skills, and English Block. Daily Review allows students to revisit what they have learned. Literacy Skills focuses on skills like grammar and handwriting, and English Block focuses on skills like text-level reading, vocabulary, sentence and text-level writing, all linked to the novel. Click the Download button to download these slides. On this page, you'll also find the Literacy Booklet and English Booklet, which is what you will need to print for students to use throughout the unit. Of course, teachers can adapt and adjust these materials to suit the needs of their class. Once you've downloaded and adapted the lesson resources, it's time to have a look at the assessment materials. Go to Find by Curriculum, Sample Assessments, and click on the year and term you want. These assessments enable students to demonstrate their skills, knowledge, and understanding of the content taught within the novel study. Finally, we recommend continually reflecting and evaluating the curriculum materials and how you are using them, being responsive to the specific needs of your students. Subscribe to the Ochre newsletter and social media to stay up to date with new resources and updates to existing resources. We hope this video has been useful for getting across the Ochre English Years 3 to 6 resources.